Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and today I'm going to share with you my new setup sketchbooks. It's a set of 3 sketchbooks actually, and as you can see, A4 size, A5 size and A6 size. The A6 is the smallest one. I never had this before, but I want a small sketchbook as well to put on paper my quick little sweet ideas. And it is 150 gsm, so I think that will be good enough for my watercolor practice. And this is a good deal actually. If you see the individual sketchbook, it will be around 300, 400, sometimes 500 rupees, but together all the three I got in 700 rupees. So I think that's a good deal, and provided the paper should be good for watercolor paintings. So together we'll see if the paper is good and suitable for the aqua colors. So, and the large one is for your elaborate ideas, so you can spread your ideas uh, throughout the paper, so you need more space for that. Sometimes I like to do more designs, and the big one is needed for that. And the medium one, the A5 size, is good for when I want to do one single object like a flower pot, a fruit basket, one single bunch of fruits or flowers, or one cactus, or any single object. This A5 size is good for that. And the smallest one, the A6 size, I'm starting with this one today. And this is very good for quick sketches and quick ideas. So I'm doing a very simple watercolor tutorial, and let's see how is it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. And also let me know if you are doing art things. Let me know. I will go and check your channel and see your art stuffs. Okay, so have a good day and enjoy my video. So as you can see, this is a quick watercolor flower painting with just few colors and few brush strokes, and it's done in some 4-5 minutes. So I love doing this type of stuff. This is very enjoying, very relaxing. And if you are beginner in watercolor, I suggest you start with flower painting, because there are numerous varieties of flowers, and also there is much scope, much ideas you will get. You can browse through or you can practice, and this is very beautiful thing to get indulged in. And If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, share with your friends if you like them, and keep practicing some art things. And have a good day. Bye bye. See you again.